On March 31st, Anthropic published a routine update to Claude Code that accidentally included a source map, a debug artifact that had the entire original TypeScript codebase embedded within it, readable by anyone who downloaded the package. 500,000 lines, their internal architecture, feature flags, product roadmap, all of it. This wasn't the first time. The exact same thing happened about 13 months earlier. Same cause, same mistake. So let's take a look at what broke and whether a proper deployment process would have stopped it. Anthropic ships Claude Code as an NPM package. They use Bun as their bundler, great tool. Runtime they acquired at the end of 2025. Bun has a known bug, unfortunately, where debug files get included in production builds even when they shouldn't. That bug was filed 20 days ago before this happened, and no one caught it. A source file made it into the release. A security searcher found it, posted a debug link, and then within hours, the code was mirrored across dozens of GitHub repos. Anthropic called it a release packaging issue caused by human error, and they said they'd roll out measures to prevent reoccurrence. A lot of folks are calling this a CI problem. The build configuration was broken, the source map shouldn't have been included in the package, and that's true, and CI does own that. But CI failing isn't the whole story. CD exists precisely because CI isn't perfect. Your build process may produce bad artifacts sometimes. Wrong files included, wrong configuration, unexpected output from a dependency perhaps. CD is where you catch that before it reaches your users. In this case, that catch never happened. The artifact went from build to the public NPM registry without anything in between validating what was actually in it. A gate that inspects package contents before releasing would have flagged the source map, and this release would have gotten blocked. As a result, the source code stays private. CI got it wrong. That happens. However, CD should have caught it, and it didn't. Your build tool may have bugs. Your configuration may drift. Someone may push a change without fully understanding what it includes. These things happen at every organization at every scale. The question is whether your release process is designed to catch them before they reach production. Not a manual checklist that someone runs if and when they remember. A gate that validates every release every time. And that's what CD is for. The lesson here is simple. Trust your build process, but verify what it actually produces before it goes anywhere near production. Anthropic built a whole subsystem to stop their AI from leaking internal code names in Git commits. They shipped their entire source code twice via a debug file in their NPM package. They protected against the threat that they thought about, not the one that they didn't. A deployment validation gate doesn't require you to anticipate every failure mode. It requires you to validate what you're actually releasing before it's too late to take it back.